Hi guys, today we're going to cover a quick hamstring flexibility tip. So, you need to build range in order to be flexible. And you need to build strength in that range in order to not get injured. So you can do it with a kettlebell, or you can do it with, my favourite, the barbell. So what we'll do first is we'll do it with the kettlebell so you can see that, and then we'll do it with the barbell. So if you grab your kettlebell and stand as normal in a nice neutral stance. From there, you're going to step forward with one leg. Now the legs stay in line with the hips, so they don't cross like this. They stay perfectly in line with each hip. Okay? So you step forward like that. From here, you bend at the hips, so you hinge at the hips, nice straight back, until you feel that end range. So do, say, 8 reps. Legs nice and straight. The back heel may come off the ground slightly, like this, but it shouldn't. That's 6. And on the last one, hold it for a count of 10. And come back up. So what that's doing is that's forcing the muscle to work while it's going into that end range to pull you back. It's just telling the brain, again, that it's safe in that range and it's okay to let you go there. It's okay to let the body move in that direction. So with the barbell, it's the same thing, except the barbell is in a back squat position or maybe slightly lower, depending on where's comfortable for you. So for me, I'm going to have it here. I like to put my hands out like this, just as I feel it's more stable and it stops it rolling up my neck a little bit. So hips nice and in line. One step in line with the hips still, so the feet don't cross, and 1, 2, 3. Notice the way the barbell is free to roll over my traps as I'm going up and down. 4. Because you just don't want that pressure on your neck of a 20 or 15 kilo barbell. 6. And then the last one, we'll hold it for a little count of 10. And we're done. I would do 3 sets of 8 with a 10-second hold at the end of every set, 3 times a week if you're really intent on building that hamstring flexibility.